Oil 2 tablespoons. Butter 1 tablespoon. Ginger 1 tablespoon chopped. 3 green chillies chopped. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes. Three large onions chopped. Sauté the onions until translucent. Two large tomatoes chopped. Salt to taste. Mix well, cover it and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Pav bhaji masala 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric ½ tablespoon. Mix well and cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Crack 6 eggs into a medium bowl. Beat with a whisk until yolks and whites are completely blended. Add the beaten eggs to the pan. Stir the eggs until mixed with the masala and get scrambled. Few coriander leaves chopped. Mix well and it's ready to serve. Enjoy!